See it here. We all know that moment, right? You urgently need a very specific connection. Maybe you're an entrepreneur searching for a technical co-founder, or a developer stuck on a critical coding problem, or a designer looking for a next client. But trying to build this professional relationship under pressure can be really inefficient, stressful, and spammy. The most valuable opportunities often comes from the connections that we already built, not from the last minute search. That's why we built MakerMeet. We offer a simple, effective way for an IT and business professionals to build strong network before these urgent needs arise. We offer a face-to-face networking option. So, like you, you begin by creating a rich profile, including links to LinkedIn, GitHub, or portfolio, defining your specific networking goals, and listing topics you're keen to discuss. You then set your availability here, and then our system intelligently shows you compatible professionals. This is based on their goals, the topics they want to work on, and then professional profiles that they have shared. You can easily filter the areas like entrepreneurs and the hackers, software developers, designers, such as here. And once you find a match, you can just simply send the invitation to them. Oops, here is the button. And MakerMeet helps you to schedule focus maximum 3-person video calls at a time that works for everyone. This creates a valuable connection without any pressure. If you're also bored with these last minute spammy DMs or emails, just join us on MakerMeet and expand your professional network gradually.